To transfer money from Charles Schwab to Robinhood, start by opening the Robinhood app or website and linking the same bank account to both platforms. In the Robinhood app, click on the profile icon, then the three-line menu at the top of the screen, and select Transfer. Scroll down to the Link Accounts section and click on Add Account. Then choose Bank Account from the options. You will be prompted to select your bank from a list. Enter your online credential details and link your bank account to Robinhood. Next, open the Charles Schwab app or website and navigate to the Move Money section, where you will click on Transfer and Payments from the drop-down menu. On the right sidebar, select Link or Delete External Bank's account and choose the Charles Schwab account you want to link to your bank account. You will be asked to answer some questions about your external bank account, such as whether it is a checking or savings account, and confirm that you are the account holder. Enter your bank details, including the routing number, account number, and account nickname, and click Continue. Once your bank account is linked to both Robinhood and Charles Schwab, you can transfer money from Charles Schwab to your bank account by clicking on the Online Transfer button in the Payment and Transfer section. Select the Charles Schwab account you want to transfer money from. Choose the bank account you linked earlier, and enter the amount you want to transfer. After receiving the money in your bank account, you can add it to your Robinhood account. This process is straightforward and allows for easy transfer of funds between the two platforms.